guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beth once again. So in this video, I am going to do a what's in my bag for my NeoNoe in the Rose Freesia. During our vacation in the Philippines, one of the bags that I brought was my NeoNoe and also some other bags. Some things probably inside my bag are still from when we were there, but we shall see. I actually did an unboxing of this bag, and also there was a part 2 because the first unboxing had some issues with it. So if you want to check it out, I'll put it there in the description box. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys the bag before I show you what is inside this bag. So here is the front and here is the side. It's a little wonky as you can see, but I'm okay with that since you can't really get a perfectly aligned one because of the shape of the bag. And here is the back. The other side is pretty much the same as the other one. It's wonky and it's okay. So here it is. It comes with this adjustable strap. You can use this one as a shoulder bag, or you can undo the snap and make the strap longer so you can use it as a crossbody. I don't usually do that with my bag because it tends to be too long for me. So let's go ahead and begin so you guys can see what is inside. Let me pull this up so I can open like that. Look at that Freesia color all around the bag, the inside. I am just so into this bag and the beautiful Freesia color. So let's go right ahead and take out one item at a time. So first I have here my sunglass case. You open it up like so, and here goes my sunglass. This is the Surreal Dior sunglasses. I love this glasses. I wore this during our trip. I really love it. So this was one of the sunglasses that I brought with me, and I'm also using this one at the moment. Next is disinfectant wipes. I brought with us a to-go disinfectant wipes, but I ended up not using it. I mostly use my spray hand sanitizer if I want to clean some surfaces and stuff. So I never ended up using this one. It hasn't been opened yet, but it is good to know that I have this one just in case I actually do need it. So the next one is my little cute fan. So in the Philippines, it's ridiculously hot. So this is a perfect companion to have when you feel like fanning yourself, or you feel like you just have to cool yourself down. So I use this one. So during the trip, my husband brought with him his backpack. He always made sure he brought the handy fan for me for the trips. He actually bought 2 different kinds of handheld fan. For the next one in here, I have my AirPods with me. I love putting stickers on my stuff, so I put this one. So here is my AirPods. So the next one is this toy. This is actually a part of the toy that we got my kid from a kiddie meal from Jollibee. Not sure if you guys are familiar with it. There's actually a few Jollibees here in the US, but it is a popular fast food chain in the Philippines. So we got him a Jollibee toy that this was a part of. So the next one is, of course, my card holder. This is a key pouch, but I use this one as a card holder. I have all my cards here and some other small things I want to put in. And the next one is a pack of bubble gum. We usually pack bubble gums with us when we go on these trips because if we need it in the airplane, when you're high up in the air, usually your ears tends to pop, and bubble gum is very helpful in trying to prevent that. So we always have a pack. So the next one is a feminine wipe that I bought in the Philippines. I didn't end up using all of it while we were there, so I still have some with me. Next is, so this one is a bag with a bunch of napkins. If you guys are wondering why I have a whole bunch of it, I did have a whole bunch of it because for a period of time, my kid was actually throwing up every time we go on really long drives, like hours and hours of driving. So we had this handy in case he throws up. I can use the bag as like a throw up bag, and I can also use the napkins to clean him up. So next is, of course, my catch-all slash makeup bag, my mini pochette. I think this was last year's mini pochette. I have a bunch of stuff in there, from floss to lip balm, lipstick, lip liner, hair ties, whatnot, lotion, some liners, and also some tissues. So I have a bunch of stuff inside of here. Next is, oh, this bag. So this pouch, I can't even remember where I got this, but this was from a set of makeup bag, and this was inside. This is just some of my personal hygiene stuff. There's band-aids, pads, and all that. So there's also some wipes in here. So that's that. So as you can see, it's almost cleared up. So we're down to a couple of things. So this is my hand sanitizer. This is actually an Honest hand sanitizer, but I put it in a smaller container because I just wanted it to be smaller. I didn't want the bigger hand spray, so I got this one. I love the scent of their hand sanitizer. So that's that. So what else do I have? I also have a pen, my favorite pen from the Philippines. I have coupons inside. This is actually recent. I just put those inside my bag. I have a Walmart receipt. And the last but not the least, I have a couple of straws inside my bag. So if you guys are wondering, why do I have straws inside my bag? So these straws were actually still from the Philippines. I decided to put them inside my bag because sometimes when like the baby's acting up, to give them something unexpected or something that catches their attention, give them a straw and they're just gonna be happy holding it, playing it around or whatnot, folding it. I don't even care as long as they stop the whining or the acting up. So that's why I have this inside my bag. So that is that for the inside compartment. It is empty. Let us go ahead and open up the middle zipper compartment and see what is inside of there. So here is the inside one. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna take out the stuff inside of there one by one. Here is my blotting paper. I love putting this in the middle compartment in case I want to use the mirror right away, and also the blotting paper right away. I can just access it. So I put that in the middle one. So the ones that I usually put in the middle compartment are smaller stuff that I want to get right away. So if there's something that I want to use right away, I tend to put it there, just like this feminine stuff. I do have the small pouch for some feminine stuff or personal care stuff, but I tend to put some inside this compartment in case I want to use it right away. So here are some wipes and also some liners. And then I also have a pack of tissue in case I need it or my kids need it or anybody needs it for that matter. And what else is in here? Oh, I also have some mints. This is actually mints that came from Japan. I love this one. So that's that. And the rest of the things that's inside of here are my handy perfumes. I love putting small perfumes inside in case I need it. So at least I have a couple of ones inside my bag. So I have the Le Jour Salive Louis Vuitton scent. And the other scents that I have is by Elizabeth and James, the Nirvana, the bourbon one. I love this scent. And I have the Jo Malone in the English Pear and Freesia. I also love this scent. It just smells so good. It is floral, but not that strong kind of floral. So I love that. And the last but not the least is, this is by Stella McCartney. It's the scent Stella. This actually reminds me of two scents from Louis Vuitton. It smells almost like the mildew, but has a different scent incorporated in it. So I love this one. That's why I put it in here. So that is it, guys. That was what is inside my bag. I really love this bag. I so loved it. I traveled with this one in the airport from here going to the Philippines, and it is amazing. I can fit a ton of stuff inside of this. So stay tuned, guys, because I will be doing a what fits in my bag. It's not gonna be the conventional stuff that you put in. It's gonna be the stuff that I was able to fit inside this bag when I was in our trip in the Philippines. It is amazing, the stuff that I can actually fit inside of this. So you watch out for that one. So that is it for now, guys. That was what's inside my NeoNoe in the Rose Freesia. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have any questions for me, put it in the comments down below and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!